Hi all, welcome to MJ Math World. Today we will discuss chapter 7 Cube and Cube Root. The first topic is cube. What do you mean by cube? Number multiplied by itself 3 times is called cube number. For example, 2 raised to 3. 2 is base and 3 is power. 2 raised to 3, which means that we have to write 2 3 times in the multiplication. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. 2 cube is equal to 8. One another example, 3 raised to 3, which is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. 3 cube is equal to 27, 2 cube is equal to 8.
Next topic is perfect cube. How can we find a number is a perfect cube or not? We need to use prime factorization method. If in the prime factorization of any number, each factors appears 3 times, the number is a perfect cube. For example, 260. Let us check it's a perfect cube or not. First we will do prime factorization. 216 divisible by 2 1 times, 0 8 divisible by 2 10 5 4 and divisible by 2 2 remaining one 14 in 7 it's divisible by 3 9 9 divisible by 3 3 times 3 is divisible in 1 times. The factors is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. We will make group of 3. Each group contains same numbers. This is first group and this one is second group. Each group contains same numbers. That means each factors appears 3 times. So it is a perfect cube. 2 into 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2? That is 2 raised to 3. Into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 raised to 3. I will apply one formula. A raised to m into b raised to m, which is equal to a into b all raised to m. This formula is applied to this one. 2 into 3 all raised to 3. The power is 3, which is equal to 2 into 3 6, 6 raised to 3. 216 is a perfect cube. One another example, 392. Let us check it's a perfect cube or not. First we will do prime factorization. Then write 392. It's divisible by 2 1 times and remaining one 19 is 9 times and remaining one 12 6 times. It's divisible by 2 99 times remaining 116 8 times. It's divisible by 2 49 49 is divisible by 7 7 times 7 is divisible by 7 1 times. The factors is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Look at these numbers. 2 is repeated 3 times. Okay, this is first group. This group contains 3 members. But 7 does not appear 3 times. So it is not a perfect cube. 392 is not a perfect cube. Next topic is cube root. Cube root is inverse operation of cube. For example, 2 cube which is equal to 8, 8 cube which is equal to 2. This is a symbol to represent the cube root. Cube root of 8 which is equal to 2. One another example, 3 cube which is equal to 27. Cube root of 27 which is equal to 3. Only write this base number. Cube root is inverse operation of cube. How can we find the cube root of large numbers? There are two methods to find the cube root. One is prime factorization method. Another one is symbol method. Today we will discuss about symbol method. First we should know the cubes of 1 to 10 numbers. 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 27, 4 cube is equal to 64, 5 cube is equal to 125, 6 cube is equal to 216, 7 cube is equal to 343, 8 cube is equal to 512, 9 cube is equal to 729. 10 cube is equal to 1000. We have to find cube root of 3375. First we draw two lines. Let us consider last three digit 375. The one-th place is 5. Which are the cubes of numbers ending with 5? 5 cube is equal to 125. The one-th place is 5. The corresponding number is 5. The last digit must be 5. Look at the remaining numbers 3. 3 is not a perfect cube. We will choose the perfect cube lower than 3. That is 1. We choose the corresponding number 1. The answer is 15. One another example. Cube root of 74088. First we draw two lines. Let us consider last three digit and one-th place is 8. Which are the cubes of numbers ending with 8? 2 cube is equal to 8. Last digit is 2. And 74 is not a perfect cube. We will choose the perfect cube lower than 74. That is 64. The corresponding number 4. 42. 42 is the answer.